I've never been to Malta before, and to see a place that so obviously is confident about its place in the world and what it can contribute to the future in terms of culture. And this is so clear, it's so uncompromising in the clarity of its vision to give space to contemporary creativity. It's a wonderful thing.
Dan kien il-kliem li kellu xi jgħid fuq Malta u l-Majkas Sir Anthony Gormley, wieħed mill-aktar artisti influenti tal-lum fejn tidħol skultura kontemporanja. Magħruf l-aktar għall-installazzjonijiet tiegħu fuq skala kbira, partikolarment dawk li jesploraw il-forma umana u relazzjoni tagħha mal-ispazju. L-aktar xogħlijiet famużi tiegħu jinkludu Angel of the North u Another Place. Rebaħ bosta premijiet inkluż il-Premju Turner u wħud mix-xogħlijiet tiegħu ġew irkantati għal aktar minn 5 miljun euro. Gormley spiss juża l-forma ta' ġismu stess sabiex joħloq skulturi li jirriflettu temi tal-eżistenza tal-bniedem, is-sensi u l-ambjent. Matul iż-żjara tiegħu, Gormley jirrifletta fuq il-kapaċità ta' Malta li tintegra l-wirt storiku tagħha mal-kreattività moderna, innota dialogu bejn il-kontemporanju u l-antik fih dan l-ispazji arkitettoniċi ta' Malta.
Yeah, yesterday I was in Gozo and I went to Gigantia and I was amazed. I was amazed at this kind of vision of these people 6,000 years ago that had the urge, the creative urge to make a place that would last for millennia, in which people could think about now, about the future and about their relationship to place. And in a way, this place that is standing next to us is doing exactly the same thing.
Gormley faħħar il-firxa diversa ta' artisti li jikkontribwixxu fix-xena tal-arti kontemporanja ta' Malta.
Amazing artists to really kick the whole institution off, because it's so full of joy, so full of collaboration, and so open to interpretation. You can say, here is an artist that really believes that human creativity and the creativity of all living things are part of the same urge of life trying to express itself.
Iż-żjara ta' Gormley servi bħala tfakkira ta' kif l-arti tista' taqgħat il-passat, il-preżent u l-futur, u turi lil Malta bħala post uniku kemm għall-artisti kif ukoll għall-ammiraturi.